calling on my phone, I told her knock it off. I don't like when I see cotton mixed with Tylenol. Antisocial, I can't fuck with niggas, not at all.
Just cool right now. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl ZSR Candy, aka Fallout Kid Man, and I'm back with another video. Right now, we finna get a quick, we finna get a quick POV real quick. Look at this dweeb. Now you wanna try and go, nope. I just want y'all to check out the quick little cut up session I was doing right here. Watch. I was going in and out the lanes. I can roll up the windows real quick. Hold on. Weave. Let's get back to the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Was that 12? Y'all do not know if that was 12. Let me keep my head straight though. I'm about to turn around like a dummy. 12 right there on the other side. I gotta turn the air on. I ain't gonna lie, it's hot outside. So having the windows up, it's kind of crazy right now. Y'all, I got some major car content in store. Major car content. Do the speed limit, go on the regular lane. Go. Say that. Say that. Oh, that's cause 12 up here. I see what you trying to do, old boy. Up there, don't nobody want to go past him. Is that even 12? I don't think that's 12. Is this 12? No, that's 12. I'm counting at that. It's the sheriffs. want to be on me so bad. Look at bro. Tried it. Hold on, y'all. I cannot cut up right now. I gotta pull over anyway because I gotta see what the spot is for the link up. But I don't want him to think I'm trying to slide like I'm trying to run and then he come follow me and shit. I don't got time for it at all. Alright, look at him. Go ahead, y'all. We gon' rock out real quick. Hold on. Of course. Watch as life happen. First of all, why he even pull me over? He had no probable cause to run my license plate, none of that. And it's a girl at that. You know how this shit go. I'm recording too, by the way.
Okay, I need your, that's fine.
Okay.
I just need your license, registration, your insurance, okay?
Alright. Alright, y'all, so we currently pulled over. I do not know what's about to happen. I don't even know if I'm about to be able to be let go to this meet, y'all. I was just trying to show y'all, give y'all a little vibe, quick little POV, but I tried to just go and not be like, oh, cops behind me, not being scared, because you don't want to be scared of them. Even though I know that's the first instant people get is to be scared, but like, you don't want to be scared of them knowing that they about to try to pull you over. But right now, she running everything. We gonna see how this go, man. She most likely, if she let me go, she gonna say to go straight home. So we'll see what happened, man. I'm just keeping y'all posted. I try to get y'all POV. This is my first video back on the tube, and this how we go. This how we going outside. Hold on, y'all. 1 second. Then at that, Shorty ain't even have no reason to even pull me over. Talking about it just pops up. I ain't 12, but I know. I'm pretty sure that shit don't just pop up. Then you have to be behind the car and want to run their plates. Like, you're not stupid. Alright, y'all, so this is where we at. Car finna get towed now. Tap back in when I got my baby back, but it's the case right now. Sadly.